القرآن للذكر فهل من مدكر.
Salam Alykum. Be sure to download your free implementation workbook. We go through it step by step. All the videos correspond with it. We have laid it out very strategically so you can master Quranic Tajweed and Quranic Mastery and implement it while you go along. Okay, so be sure to download this and it will help you on your journey. It's free to download. The link should be in the description. Salam Alykum.
Let's continue the lessons on the special words. And we only have two special words left, a few cases left. So this number 12 is atani or ataniya. In the way of Shatibiya, there are two ways of stopping on this word. Now, the first way is to establish the ya. You can see the small ya is written after the noon. So we establish the ya when stopping and continuing. Okay, so the first way is to establish the ya when stopping and continuing. And the second way is to read it when continuing and dropping it when stopping on it. So you will drop the ya when stopping. And let's have an example here. So you read this. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم فلما جاء سليمان قال أتمدونني بمال فما آتاني. Now in all cases, when you're continuing, you will say فما آتاني الله خير مما آتاكم. Okay, so the first way when you're stopping on it is you say فما آتان. Sorry, the first way is فما آتاني. So we're establishing the ya. And the second way is you're not establishing the ya, you're doing hadf of the ya, meaning you're deleting it. You say فما آتان فما آتان. So we do not read the ya when stopping. But of course, even if we were to continue now, we say فما آتاني الله خير مما آتاكم. So in any case, when we continue, we read the ya, but stopping, you have a choice to either read it or delete it. Let's go on to number 13. Number 13 is the word ضعف or ضعف in this particular ayah. So this ayah is in Surah Al-Rum, verse 54. So this word and all occurrences of this word only in this ayah can be either reread with a fatha or a dhamma on the dad. So let's have a look here. So we say أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم الله الذي خلقكم من ضعف ثم جعل من بعد ضعف قوة ثم جعل من بعد قوة ضعفا وشيبة يخلق ما يشاء وهو العليم القدير. So when we read it with fatha, now let's read it with dhamma now. Read it. الله الذي خلقكم من ضعف ثم جعل من بعد ضعف قوة ثم جعل من بعد قوة ضعفا وشيبة. So we can see the first time read fatha, second time read dhamma. There is no difference, no preference. You can read any that you want. And the last one is al-muqatta'at. Al-muqatta'at, the word ayn, the letter ayn. As we have previously learned, the ayn in the muqatta'at letters is read with 4 harakat mad, 4 harakat read with tawassut instead of reading with tul. So of course all of the other muqatta'at in that category is read with tul, 6 harakat, but here ayn is only read with 4 harakat according to the words of Shatibiya, according to the tariqah of Shatibiya. So these are the special words. Of course, anytime you come across these words in the Quran in your recitation, ensure that you are reading it correctly according to the way of Shatibiya. And if there's an option, then you can either choose the option. Of course, we know that some has preference, so make sure you read the one with preference if you want, if you can. And inshallah, this can guide you further in your recitation. Inshallah, in the next lesson we'll be covering al-waqf ala awakhir al-kalim, which is an advanced Tajweed rule, and it will take again a number of videos to explain this. Salam Alykum.
If you enjoyed this video, guys, please like this video so we know you enjoy it, as we can make more. Please write a comment and tell us what you thought about the lesson, and don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe now. Jazakallah. Assalamu alaikum.